Welcome to MarineMax. My name's Larry Vogt, and today we're going to go over this beautiful 2024 Grady-White 306 Canyon. This is an absolute battleship, perfect for Northeast Florida or anywhere that you want to trailer this boat. Let's start with a couple of things. The engines in the back. These are twin Yamaha 300 horsepower engines, extremely reliable. They're on the full maneuverability package with the joystick. And then also this boat has a bow thruster, so it makes it extremely nimble. One of the great features about Grady-Whites is that everything on the boat drains overboard. Nothing drains into the bilge. Fish box right here, which is really well insulated and it's a giant size. It drains overboard with no macerator pump, super easy to clean. Up at the bow, we're going to have two more fish boxes that we'll take a look at later. One of the unique features about a Grady-White is the saltwater and freshwater washdown system. This boat has two spigots in the transom for a freshwater hose and a raw water hose. We've got a pull-out freshwater shower at the transom here as well. We've also got a freshwater sink with a pull-out shower. We've got a sink and shower in the head compartment down below. And up at the bow, we have two more hose connections for raw water and fresh water. So you can get this boat rinsed down from anywhere you are in the boat. It's got a 32-gallon freshwater tank, which is massive for a 30-footer. The live well system here, this is a 47-gallon live well that's fully insulated, so you can also use it on a cooler as when you're not fishing. It's got full column water distribution as well, which is great for your bait, keeps it nice and frisky. There's tons of tackle storage. Down here, we've got Plano boxes, a rack of 4, plier and lure holder here, and then we've got storage drawers here at the helm for more tackle and things that you need to have handy. As we step forward to the helm here, you can see this boat is rigged out with twin 8616 Garmin displays. The boat has a built-in autopilot as part of the Helm Master joystick system. We've got a bow thruster here, digital controls, the new electric steering from Yamaha, which is extremely smooth. And if you notice, I've got plenty of room up here, and I'm a pretty big guy, so there's a lot of space at the helm, easy to move about, and it's nice and comfortable. Now we're going to take a look down below into the head compartment. This boat has a full marine head with a 10-gallon holding tank, dockside pump out, as well as overboard discharge. Down below you'll see a ton of storage. There's cabinets, drawers, etc. for all of your gear. Massive space for a boat that's 30 feet. As we go up here to the bow, you're going to see a great sun lounge area. This section right here is removable, so when you're fishing and you want to have some more space to fight a fish off the front of the boat, we can certainly do that. And underneath, both sides, port and starboard, are these awesome insulated fish boxes that drain overboard, hose out with no macerator pump needed. This is the easiest boat you'll clean if you're a fisherman. Some other great features about this boat: you've got a built-in windshield wiper that utilizes the fresh water system that'll get that salt spray off at the end of the day, so when you're headed west you won't get that glare coming on in. Keeps your windshield nice and clean. This boat holds 290 gallons of fuel, so it's got plenty of range for anything you want to do. And if you've got any questions about this boat, please give me a call at 904-545-5310. Thank you.